After one of the worst bank runs in crypto history, Terra Luna decided to revive themselves by releasing Terra 2.0. But is it actually worth your time and your investment? If you haven't been here before, my name is EQ. Welcome to Alchemy Meta. We're here to teach you about crypto and to learn how to trade crypto. Terra Luna, before all the shenanigans happened, was in the top 15, led by kwon, who was absolutely killing it. And then things started to get really ugly as UST or USTerra decided to start depegging. And once the depegging process started, it absolutely obliterated Terra Luna to the point that it dropped down to 0.000005, virtually non-existent. So their plan was to create Terra 2.0. Now, what is Terra 2.0 exactly? All they did was move over the Luna token and they took away the stablecoin asset. And is there any value in Terra 2.0? In my honest opinion, no. The reason that Terra Luna was so successful was the pairing between the stablecoin and Luna. That's why Terra and Luna was Terra the stablecoin and Luna the actual cryptocurrency coin. And the way that they were able to make the price of Terra go up so much was because you were able to mint and burn UST in comparison to Luna, and you're able to balance it with arbitrage to take advantage of some price differentials. Now, when the price differentials got too far and USTerra decided to drop to, let's say, 75 cents instead of $1, that's when everything started to go crazy. So without that stablecoin side of things, Terra 2.0 will not create the demand needed to move price up. So really their only option right now is to just start to burn an insane amount of tokens, but then there's no way to actually put those tokens back into the network like they were able to do before with USTerra. And to even look past all of this just Terra Luna stuff, if you look at kwon himself, he's already going into pending investigations. They're already looking to him for Ponzi schemes. He'd already backmouthed the SEC in December of 2021, stating that he's not going to be regulated or doesn't need to listen to any sort of US government sanctions or regulations because he's a Singapore resident and the company was based out of South Korea. And we see how that turned out for him. So there's then hope he might be able to put his ego and his arrogance to the side. But do you really want to invest and put your money into someone like that? Keep in mind there's over 10,000 crypto projects that you can invest in. So of all those 10,000, would Terra Luna or Terra 2.0 be the best option for you? Now, me personally, I'm staying away from all of this. Unless we can see some massive upgrades from the Terra 2.0 network and we start to see some very successful movement, it wouldn't even be a thought in the back of my head to get into one of these networks. And there's already other ecosystems like Polygon Matic who are trying to poach the dApps from Luna and have them pushed over to Polygon. And this is going to wrap up our quick video on Terra Luna and Terra 2.0. If you found anything useful in this video, please make sure to drop a like, leave a comment, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want to learn how to trade or want to come trade with us, hit the link in the description and come join the Alchemy Trading Group. Hopefully you're all having an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you're tuning in the world, and we'll catch you on the next one.